Hi, I'm Richard from Avant Techno UK. We're here today in Cambridgeshire at Mead Construction to have a chat with Phil Mead about his Avant customer experience.
I'm Phil Mead, I'm the Plant Hire Director for Mead Plant and Grab, and we run a construction company in Cambridge. So Avant is a bit of a new bit of kit to us. It's really allowed us to go into an area of the market that we don't currently have. So the ARB sector is an area we really wanted to get into. We can offer other services to them, and this is the perfect product to make a gateway into that industry, really. We initially started using Avant because a customer referred us. He basically said, look, we want one of these machines on our site. We've done our research. We think they're great. Why don't you hire one? Why don't you get one, see what they're all about? From then, we looked at YouTube videos, and we just started watching the videos and seeing how that would work really well on our site for our customers. Then we started seeing it more and more on YouTube without it being sent to us, and we thought, you know what, we need to get involved with this and see what they're all about. We found out where our nearest dealer was. That happened to be Ben Burgess, just down the road for us. We got our first one, and we just saw how versatile it was, the attachments you can get. So when we're looking to make a new purchase for the company, we usually do nowadays start by looking at websites, social media, and the different content that's out there, because it gives a really good idea, a real life example of what a machine can do, used by people that are very similar to our customers, so how they're going to be using them and how they're going to apply them on site. So for me, seeing how these things work, having a demo of the machine, sitting on it, feeling it, it kind of told me what it was all about there and then. It doesn't handle the same as other machines. It's not until you're sitting on it that you realise what it's capable of, how versatile it is, how stable it is, how tight a corner you can turn, all these things that you wouldn't know until you're actually sitting on it and having a real life example. Then it goes to the customers and they do the same and they get the same feedback and they love it as much as we do. So we've now just bought our third Avant. Things like the quick hitch, the coupling system is completely unique. It's something that, from my point of view as a plant hire director, a lot of our calls into the office with diggers, for example, relate to hitching problems, coupling problems. And this is so straightforward, so simple, that it takes a lot of that hassle out. It's really easy for people to use. So a big thing about the Avants is their reliability. We've got three. We never see them here in the workshop. They're always out on site. They go out, they stay out. They give me no problems at all. But I do know if they do have any problems, Ben Burgess, who are just down the road, their backup is second to none. They can get parts next day. So it's not really a problem or a concern for us.